Beneath the pristine snow lies a history of danger. These ancient cracks hold secrets, gleaming faintly in the cold light, a reminder.
This winter will test our resolve, but if we stand united, we will survive the cold that surrounds us. My friends, if you can hear me, come back to the clearing.
He stopped digging, his ears twitching at the sound. It was the golden monkey's call, and a cautious creature indeed. The goat lifts its head. With a nervous glance, deep in the winter woods, the aroma of the stew filled the air.
Well, hello there! What smells so good in that pot?
Emerging from the quiet snow, Panda brought a comforting presence and a gentle understanding to all who waited.
The sturdy bear paused his labor, hearing a faint cry from the farm center. With steadfast resolve, he knew where he had to be.
Though the journey was cold and the snow was deep, they knew they must reach the great clearing before nightfall.
We gather tonight not just for warmth, but for strength. The path ahead is uncertain, but together we will face it. Listen closely. The path ahead is dangerous, but hope remains while we stand united. My friends, my damnine.
As the snow fell, the little creatures huddled close, finding warmth and safety in their shared fear.
This place is no longer safe. He knew the snow held secrets, but this feeling was different. Something was watching him.
They knew something was out there, something far bigger than them, lurking just beyond the trees. We have to warn the others. The pass won't hold much longer.
I understand. I'll go.
Even in the deepest snows, friendship can bring the warmest comfort. He knew just what they needed. The ice mountain could collapse again at any time. I don't want anyone to get hurt.
The cold wind howled, but huddled together by the warmth of the fire, they found the courage to face the night. When the world feels too big and scary, all we have is each other.
My friends, the path ahead will not be easy, but we must face this winter together. So I believe it's time for us to leave together and search for a new land. One that is safer, where we can begin again.
The comforting routine of the kitchen was suddenly broken. The golden monkey had arrived, and the cat knew trouble was brewing.
His resolve was unwavering. As long as they stood together, even the deepest snow couldn't stop them.
If staying is dangerous, then we go. As long as we go together.
Everything is going to be all right. We just need to keep moving forward, one step at a time, and we'll get through this together. Golden Monkey is right. Right. No one will be left behind.
Gathered around the campfire, their faces reflected fear, hope, and determination. A new beginning dawns on the horizon.
That very day, Panda and Brown Bear headed out into the winter forest.
They knocked on wooden doors, tree homes, burrows, and snow-covered shelters.
The farm is becoming dangerous. Golden Monkey asks everyone to prepare their belongings.
We will move together to a new land.
Brown Bear added in his deep, steady voice, "Don't worry. We will make sure no family is left behind." The message spread quickly. Families of rabbits, squirrels, hedgehogs, deer, birds, pigs, goats, and many others began packing what they could.
Food baskets, warm blankets, tools, and precious memories.
Children clutched their favorite toys.
Parents carefully tied their bundles. Fear was in their eyes, but so was trust.
Preparing for a new journey. Back at the farm, everyone worked busily but calmly. Pig loaded vegetables onto wooden carts.
Goat gathered ropes and tools.
Chubby Yellow Cat prepared dried food for the long journey ahead. The little animals held on to the things they loved most.
We built this place together. And wherever we go next, we will build a new home together.
The path is clear. Let's keep moving, everyone.
We're almost there.
Watch your step there.
Thank you! I'm okay now.
Golden Monkey stands watching, ready to leave the past behind and step forward toward a new beginning, side by side.